How do you make frozen pizza in an air fryer? So you come over here, put your favorite toppings on top of the pizza. I put shrimp. Sometimes I put apples, bacon, onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, whatever. So 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Close your air fryer. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Go around your house, check all the things that you have, your collection. I like this little plate that my girlfriend she has in the house, this mirror. I also like this cat. Another cat. Marilyn. Look at that beautiful view. This is Jinx. It's a real cat. Alright. Let's see how we going. How we doing. 3 more minutes. It's 2 minutes left. Let's check it out. 1 minute left. I just suggest to check every 5 minutes. Open the air fryer and check it out how everything goes. You don't want to burn your pizza. Alright? You're right. A little bit well done, but it looks pretty good. I would say maybe 9 minutes next time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will enjoy this. Have a good day.